Hi guys! Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will show you the steps to set up AERVY Wi-Fi Extender device. AERVY Wi-Fi Extender works seamlessly with any internet service provider. It is also compatible with all standard routers or gateways. This extender has an ultra-high bandwidth and you can connect up to 55 devices at one time. The setup process is very easy. Let's start. You can set up your AERVY Wi-Fi extender using an Ethernet cable. Here you need to connect your repeater with the router. Use an Ethernet cable for connection. Power on both. Open your computer and check the Wi-Fi networking list. Here, connect with the AERVY Wi-Fi extender's network. Launch a web browser and enter the extender's default IP address. Now, type the admin in the password field. After login, choose the access point mode. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the setup. For the wireless setup, place the AERVY Wi-Fi extender next to your router. Power on both the devices. Now press the WPS button on your extender. Within 2 minutes, press the WPS button on the existing Wi-Fi router. Wait for approximately 2 minutes to complete the pairing process. In this pairing, your extender catch the router's signal. When it's done, then your extender will broadcast the Wi-Fi signal. After complete the setup process, you need to change the location of your AERVY Wi-Fi extender. Always place it the optimal location of your house, where it can covers all the Wi-Fi dead zones. If you are facing any technical issue to configure your AERVY Wi-Fi extender or need our help to set up this extender device, then you can reach us. Thanks for watching.